Listen to that sizzle.
All right, it's almost Thanksgiving. We are smoking a turkey today. And Tim, you don't even remember what was in this brine, but you sent me the brine recipe. This thing's been brining for about 2 days. I'll put the link to the ingredients right down in the description. So let's get this on a tray, see how it looks. All right, we gotta let them drain. So what are we doing?
We're gonna cut the back out. Spatchcock.
So we're gonna cut the back right out of this, and then we're gonna lay it right open on the smoker.
Lay it flat on the smoker.
And supposedly it cooks a little quicker too. We're gonna find out, but so basically we're scoring this. We're gonna cut right down here. We're gonna score this side, cut down there, because we're cutting the spine out. All right, we're back. So we have the back cut out of this. I think we're gonna cook this. There's some pretty good meat on there. But we have the back cut out. We're gonna flip this over on the grill, and then you gotta kind of push it down to make it flat a little bit. It's gonna break the breastbone.
Guess who I am?
He's not well.
He isn't. That's a pretty nice shirt. Where'd you get that?
Oh, concert last night. Comic Club.
Dale Jones comic. Yeah, I saw him too. He was pretty good. All right, so we're gonna put him right on the smoker just like this, and he's gonna try and fly. So we're gonna take those wings down. So you're basically tucking the flapper back underneath. So it's kind of like this.
On the smoker.
Onto the smoker.
All right, we got this thing turned up to 350, just like you're gonna cook any turkey. Let's get this bird on here. All right, we got the wings tucked in.
Just spread out.
We get this closed up and smoked.
All right, it's been on an hour. The temperature of the meat is 108 degrees. Look at that. Looks like it's crisping pretty well. We're gonna flip this guy over. Alright, this might not be so graceful.
What temp we at?
Grill's at 350, but the meat is at 110. We're gonna cook it to 165 because that's what you cook poultry to. Maybe just a little bit more, but we flipped it because we want to get some brown on that skin there. Nice brown that we got right here. So let's let that go just a little bit longer.
Looks good. Listen to that sizzle. This bird's about 160 degrees, so about 5 more degrees, maybe 10. We'll take her off. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty tasty.
All right, 2 hours at 350. This looks pretty good.
You think it's done?
I think so. I mean, that skin looks really crispy. We cooked it to 167, 168. We let it rest for a couple minutes. Internal temperature is going to go up. I think we're. That's a nice looking leg right there.
Thank you.
Nice legs.
I worked on all weekend.
You're not well.
But it's well done.
It is. So we're about to test this.
What's that over there?
So we did cook the back just for funsies because there was a lot of meat on here. Actually, let's test here first. Sully. Oh. A piece of that?
Oh, no. Trust me.
All right, you made the wrong call.
Give a thumbs up. We gotta go. It's time to eat.
You're not gonna cut into that?
We are.
I just don't want to stain my shirt.
All right.
Oh, it just fell apart. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's done. That did fall apart. All right, let's cut this. Let's see. You be the judge, Sully. Oh, look how tender and juicy that looks. And by you be the judge, I'm tasting this.
It's still hot.
Like hot pizza. You just gotta go in.
Napalm.
That's pretty bomb right there.
We're gonna make a couple more of these.
Alright, click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and pray for Sully. He's not well.
Hot.
Thanks.